U.S. consumer sentiment held steady in October 2025, with the University of Michigan's preliminary survey of consumers recording an index of 55, essentially unchanged from September. Despite this stability, Americans remain concerned about inflation and the labor market, particularly amid the ongoing federal government shutdown. One-year inflation expectations edged slightly lower to 4.6%, while five-year expectations stayed at 3.7%, signaling persistent worries about price pressures. Consumers also expressed cautious views regarding personal finances and the affordability of durable goods. Labor market uncertainty is a key factor keeping confidence subdued. Prior to the shutdown, job growth had nearly stagnated over several months, and concerns over employment prospects continued to influence household sentiment. The survey period overlapped with the start of the government shutdown on September 30th, historically a factor that can dampen consumer confidence due to fears over federal paychecks, services, and overall economic stability. Economists caution that final October readings may show a further decline if the shutdown persists. Fed policy is also under scrutiny as elevated inflation expectations and softening labor market conditions influence decisions. Analysts anticipate the Federal Reserve may implement another rate cut at the October 28 to 29 FOMC meeting to support economic growth while balancing price stability. Despite uncertainty, consumer spending has remained resilient, particularly in discretionary categories, suggesting households are cautious but not retreating entirely from consumption. Looking ahead, prolonged government shutdowns and ongoing concerns about inflation and employment could weigh on confidence, potentially affecting big-ticket purchases and borrowing decisions. However, a resolution to the shutdown and stabilization in labor markets could help restore consumer optimism, underpinning broader economic activity. Overall, while sentiment is stable for now, underlying caution continues to shape household behavior and economic trends.